When using LEM to design this course, really what we started with was the evidence block, and we were talking. It's a course about its history of rhetoric, and we were talking about how can they demonstrate that they have understood how rhetoric has changed over the years. Not only that, but I was working with a faculty member who is outstanding and fantastic and just so creative, and we came up with the idea of doing a battle royale. And so we started with this battle royale idea, and he loved it, but he was also adamant that we wouldn't have any discussions because he didn't really think that they were valuable, and his students weren't getting out of them what he wanted them to get out of them. And so as we're going through the LEM, a tool that really helped us was looking at, okay, well, what are the skills that our students would need for the battle royale? And so they would need a solid research paper, they need facts, but they also need skills and engagement and persuasion and imagination, interpretation, a whole list of these things. And we looked back and we realized, well, if we're not using discussions, then they're not going to be practicing any of those skills. They're not going to be building those skills that he wanted them to learn. And so we were able to go in and show the students and write better discussion questions that would lead to a more productive discussion board. And so we have modules that are represented by information and practice and dialogue with feedback, and it all ends with this evidence of learning, which is a battle royale. And we also followed it up with another reflection because we wanted to see what they thought about the course and if it had provided any lasting changes on what they thought about rhetoric. So it was a very interesting process for us.